boys are privileged and spit with laws. I'm a reality speaker, forget them cars. I'm learning how to teleport to reach the Mars. When you love this and live this, you spit your bars. I spit a quick barrage, switch to R's before you get burnt by all these lit cigars. I spit because the time is upon us. Prophecy, Edgar Cayce, Nostradamus. Are they the future or really fall behind us? Past perceptions trying to find us and blind us. It's funny, especially with Nostradamus, that none of these prophecies saw the Obamas. Life is a stage and it goes through dramas, so rewrite the script and replace your commas. Life is the groundwork, you're the farmer. The seed is the idea, Chris Parker.
I'm in the van with my band, rocking clubs, rocking pubs worldwide, and I do it for the love, cause I see the light in the eyes of the audience. The elements are heaven sent, it's awesome and it's obvious. We've been graph writing since the hieroglyphics, breaking since the dawn of time, cause we're so prolific. It's that universal rhythm, Rio's on a mission, going back to Africa with stories they were spitting. Able to Serato, look how far we've come. Before we had computers, DJs beat on logs and drums, humming melodies and lyrics, I can hear it in my spirit. He's just got the rock, cause he helped to engineer it. Wanna spread the message of salvation over 808s. Digital humanities, we candidly deflect the hate. Let's work to heal the planet. Hip-hop is the gospel, with KRS the teacher and MC Lars Apostle.